Hi everyone, welcome to fourth grade. My name is Frances Bierman. I've been teaching fourth grade for 4 years now, and I've been at Greenbrier as an educator for 13 years. I know you have lots and lots of questions about the start of school, which is Monday. Monday we start real school. It's going to be an easy or a soft opening, they're calling it, getting to learn the technology and doing some of our social emotional curriculum the first week as we get familiar with each other and the platform. There is so much more information to come. I have not received it all, so as soon as I get that information, I will share it with you. I will probably only be learning it moments before you have it. I know that is frustrating as a parent. I'm one too. And as your teacher, I am doing my best. Me and Mrs. Bukevich, she has rolled up and taken over Mrs. Hall's spot since her retirement. We've been working closely as far as getting things prepared, not closely as in physically distancing, but we're really looking forward to this opportunity to teach you this year. I have also attached a PowerPoint that I'm not going to read through with you. I know you're capable of doing that on your own. It does give you some of the information that I have already and may be a source of information or a source that you can go to find answers to your questions. But please, if you do have questions, I will try to answer them. My preferred method is through email, which is Frances, Frances Bierman, Beermann, at dvusd.org. 2 E's, 2 N's. And yes, with the last name Bierman, if the ballparks were open, we always tease we're very popular at the ballparks. But a little bit about me, since you want to get to know me. I know a lot of you are longtime Greenbrier families, so you've probably seen me in Carline, morning Carline, afternoon Carline. I've kind of done the gamut. I've done playground, I've done cafeteria duty, so many of you, when I saw your faces, are familiar. I got to put names with faces. And anyway, I've come here 15 years ago. Like I said, we enjoy hiking and camping. My family does. Before that, we were in the Midwest. I met my husband in Kansas City. We lived in Ohio for a couple years. We were in Wyoming a couple years, back in Kansas City, down to Oklahoma, and then here. This is the longest we've ever lived. Once our kids started school, we found it important to keep some stability going for them. I have 2 kids. My son Logan will be a junior at ASU studying applied computing. My daughter Audrey is starting her freshman year at U of A. So yes, I'm very nervous about them going off and doing classes and enjoying adulthood, all those good things. But she is studying neuroscience, and that's pretty heavy to me. But I'm wishing them both well and hoping they do great. I am a big soccer fan. I really like to watch German soccer, the Bundesliga. That's usually on Saturday and Sunday mornings early. I tend to be an early riser, so if you get me an email, I'm usually up early. It is hard for me to stay up late though. If you send an email, my office hours, I will try to return it right away. If you get to me before 4:30 in the afternoon, I will try to check my email again in the evening. But I go to bed fairly early, about 9:30. I'm settled in reading kind of for the night because I'm up early. I've been trying to ride my bike in the wash in the mornings to get some physical exercise, trying to keep myself sane and all those things that healthcare workers are telling us to do. And it would be good for me because once we hit that lockdown, yes, I'm the cliche. My daughter started baking bread, and instead of the COVID-19, I've gained the COVID-15. We joke, thank goodness it's not the COVID-35. I wouldn't want to put on 35 pounds. But it's a serious situation. I don't mean to make light of it. But I am a soccer fan. We also try to cheer on all the Arizona teams, the Diamondbacks, the Cardinals, the Suns. I know Miss Brammer is a big Suns fan. Miss Slavic in 5th grade is a big Cardinals fan. We do try to always root for the hometown crowd, but soccer is kind of our game. And if any of you play soccer, I would love to get invited maybe once all that gets started back up to one of your soccer games, or if you play football, I try to make it out to catch some of the ball games if I get invited. Anyway, that's me in a nutshell, and I'm sure I have skipped over things. I'm sure I have elaborated on things you don't want to know, and I'm already at 5.5 minutes, so I will kind of get off of here, and I just want to welcome you to Greenbrier. I look forward to spending more time with you, and we will have lots and lots of conversations and emails to share with one another here in the next couple days. I hope you are all well and you've had a great summer, or the best summer you could considering the circumstances, and we'll see you soon. Okay, take care.